All right, y'all, we got our first post, our corner post. Run my string line to just give me an idea of where I'm at. And I've got all the holes dug. These holes were challenging because it seems like if I wasn't hitting bedrock, I was hitting concrete. There wasn't supposed to be any concrete in there. That's what I was told. But obviously, there was concrete in there. Anyway, on my string line, I want to say 7 posts going in tomorrow, and then we'll build our fence. All right, we've got all our posts in, tying into the back corner here. And I wanted to show you, this is kind of a good idea if you're putting concrete down. You have a little bit of a crown where you've got sloping down away from that post in each direction. It's just gonna help a little bit with water, so water isn't gonna sit right on that post. It'll help shed it and, you know, keep the post from rotting for a little bit longer. I put my string line up as a guide, and because I hit bedrock, I hit rock, I hit some roots, this isn't perfect. I told the customer and I showed him, he's perfectly happy with it. I mean, it's close, but you know, sometimes you're working around trees, you kind of get as close as you can. But I got all my posts in, probably about 2.5 bags of concrete per post. I've got to pick up 1 or 2 more bags to top these last 2. But I'll give you an idea of how straight we are. I mean, we are close. We're not perfect, but it's about 64 feet. So that's pretty good, and he's going to be happy with that. Next thing I need to do is measure spans between the posts because they're not all the same. For this project, we just reused the same holes because that was the best way to avoid hitting new rock and having even more work. So I'm going to measure all my spans, and then I can pick up my 2x4s. We're going to do 3 rails and my pickets at the same time, and then we'll see how far we can get today. Okay, I'm all set up. I got my miter saw, I got all my railings. I got some 10-footers and 8-footers because some of our spans are like that one, a little bit over 8 feet. But I'm gonna get to measuring, start putting these rails in.